అందరికీ నమస్తే. నేను మీ అరవింద్ మామ. మనం ఇంకో ప్లేస్కి వచ్చేసినాం. ఇది కాఫీ ప్లాంటేషన్ అండ్ ఎస్టేట్ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. సో చలో వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం.
అయితే ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ కాఫీ ప్లాంట్సే కాదు, వేరే ప్లాంట్స్ కూడా చాలా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో దానికోసం అని చెప్పేసి చాలా లెంతీ వీడియో అయింది. సో 2 పార్ట్స్గా పెడుతున్నాం మీకోసం.
ఈ ఎస్టేట్ వచ్చేసి మొత్తం 40 acres ఉంటుందట. ఓనరు ఫారెన్లో ఉంటాడట. సో మొత్తం ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తారంట ఇక్కడ నుంచి కాఫీ సీడ్స్ అన్నీ. అసలు ఎస్టేట్ లోపల ఎట్లున్నది, కాఫీ ప్లాంటేషన్ ఎట్లున్నది, ఏ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కాఫీ సీడ్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. కూర్గ్ వస్తే ఈ ప్లేస్ అయితే విజిట్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే ప్లాంటేషన్ ఇది మెయిన్గా కాఫీ గురించి, కాఫీ ప్లాంటేషన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి సో మనం ఇది తెలుసుకోవడం అనేది కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ప్లాంటేషన్ కూడా అసలు మనం మామూలుగా వీట్, రైస్ ఇవి చూసుంటాం, కానీ కాఫీ చూసుంటాం కదా. సో కాఫీ ఒకసారి చూద్దాం ఈరోజు. ఇక్కడ వాక్ చేయడానికి ఒక స్టిక్ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళాలన్నట ప్లాంటేషన్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళాలంటే. కొట్టడానిక
ಇದು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
అనే తెలుగు తప్ప వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్ అని అడిగిండు. అనే అది మేము తెలుగు అని చెప్పినాం. అయితే ఆయనకు తెలుగు రాదట. అయితే మా పిన్ని ఉన్నది, మా పిన్నికి తెలుగు కన్నడ వచ్చు. సో కన్నడలో చెప్పు, నేను వాళ్ళకి తెలుగులో చెప్తా అని చెప్తుంది. ఏంది అడవి, అడవిలో తిరిగినట్టే ఉంది. ఆలిజ్వెల్లా ఇదేనా అది?
It means it's a buds of the plant, buds. Like a reddish color buds only will get red faded white or pinkish faded white. At that color we get the buds. At that bud we can make a dry of it. Like in using of a machine also we can dry. Otherwise you can make it in a sunlight also. After drying, a color of it that becomes brown first. So lightly reddish color only it goes first. And the first quality clove we don't get in a market. Brown or red color clove we don't get. Only in a color of black only we'll get it in a market. That because people are extracting the oil from it.
Okay.
By steaming people will extract the oil and we are getting in a color of black. Okay. One more also is the black color clove also you'll get. The sun-dried clove you will get. A complete or 60 days sun-dried clove also you'll get. But that is also color of black only you'll getting that. But when you're buying a black color clove, just give it once. Just twist it. If the moisture comes out, that is good quality of it. If there is a no moisture, if it breaks means that is a zero oil. Just for a taste you have to use it. And clove oil is getting extracted for 2 reasons. One is for a medicinal purpose. For a sunset and problem it's good. For toothaches and toothpaste and all people are using it. The second one, price. The clove oil is more expensive than the clove. That is also one of the reasons for extraction. Okay. And these both side are ilaichi, green cardamom or green ilaichi. Ilaichi is a root crop. It grows at the bottom. Okay. And here I will explain about the ilaichi and I will show you ending time. Like ilaichi I will show you in the end. Because in some plants the ilaichi we are not plucked it. This one all plucked. August is our last time for it, plucking and all. And ilaichi, the ilaichi also when you are buying it, if you are getting only in a color of green means just rub up on it. With the moisture, just rub up on it. If the ilaichi's 2 sides become dark in green, that is a color coated. Okay, and we think that brown or white faded or light yellowish color, that all are second or third quality we think, but that all are sun dried or machine dried. But a color coated one, that we like blindly believe the colors, we attract for them. If we see the green color one, we blindly believe that and we buy them. That all will be a color coated, and a color is in food color only, but food color that is not good for health. Okay, so why when you're buying it, just rub up on it. If you're getting in a white in color, brown in color or yellow color, that all are good for health. Ilaichi is a good source of immunity booster and it fight with the bad bacteria also. And if it was a good quality, 2 ilaichis are enough for half liter of milk. It gives a very good flavor. And this tree is a mango tree. It's a wild mango. This one.
This one, okay.
This one. Wild mango. Wild mangoes are sour tasted, smaller size, and it's used for pickles. Pickles or mango curry here we prepare. Using of jaggery, we prepare a curry here, a mango curry that is a traditional dish. And those all are betel nuts, supari, and whoever not seen the vanilla in a center, you can see the bigger leaf.
Yeah.
That is vanilla plant.
Oh, vanilla. Vanilla extract.
The vanilla extract. Vanilla, yeah, the flower will come first. Like after pollination, a beans will get a 6 to 7 centimeter bean will get in a color of green only we get first. After drying, the color of it that becomes black. Vanilla is the second expensive spice of the world. After saffron, vanilla is second. Even for 10 grams, you have to pay 500 rupees for it. But what we getting in a market in a form of liquid, like smaller bottles, we are getting that. That all are synthetic, artificial flavors only we are getting. And before 10 years back, vanilla, once it was banned. It was banned. That because people are extracting animal extract from, using of an animal extract, people are preparing a vanilla essence or ice creams. Okay, so why it get banned? But nowadays, it having a permission of synthetic oil, but that they have to return whatever they added in. Otherwise, vanilla sticks are the purest form in India.
ఆయన ఏం చెప్తుండంటే ఇక్కడ లవంగాలు 2 కలర్లలో దొరుకుతాయంట. ఒకటి రెడ్ కలర్, ఒకటి బ్లాక్ కలర్. అవి రెండిట్లో క్వాలిటీ ఉందా లేదా ఇట్లా తెలుసుకోవాలంటే వాటిని ట్విస్ట్ చేస్తే అందులో నుంచి ఆయిల్ లాగా వస్తే అది క్వాలిటీ ఉన్నట్టు. అలానే యాలక్కాయలు క్వాలిటీగా కాదో తెలుసుకోవాలంటే పొట్టును తీసి రాకినట్టయితే అది గ్రీన్ కలర్గా మారిపోతే అది డూప్లికేట్.
Okay, it's in 7 years plant. The age of it is 7 years, and here all you can see the cocoa fruit over here. Here it is. The smaller growth. Here it is. The smaller fruit is there. The winter is in starting time for it, and this fruit in a 2 to 3 months it becomes this bigger. It goes for papaya shape. Okay, the fruit or like these bigger fruit we'll get. Okay, and the outer fruit like in papaya only it's edible, very sweet in taste. And the seeds of it, we have to collect it first and we have to ferment it. Okay, after fermenting only we can prepare a chocolate from it. After fermenting, we can directly dry it in the sunlight, and after roasting, tawa roast also we can do, otherwise machine roast, and then we can grind it and we can prepare a chocolate from it. But the chocolate like bittery chocolates are there, right? The dark chocolates. Those all are very good for health, because in a dark chocolate you will get a more blend of cocoa. Okay, then like a more cocoa means more benefit you will get. Cocoa is caffeinated, having a natural caffeine. So why stress release also we can use it, and even for heart it's very good, and for skin also. Okay, but limited consumption it's must needed, because the chocolates or cocoa it's very heat for our body. The chocolates eaten in a day, if you're eating a 1 or 2 pieces of dark chocolate, that's good. 2 to 3 pieces. More than that, that's not good. It becomes bigger also. It becomes 10 feet tall at least, and a trunk of it that becomes this bigger. Okay, in a 15 years, it's a smaller climbable tree. It becomes trunk of it that will be this bigger.
Okay. This
But
is
height,
small.
it's a 6 years.
6 years.
6 years.
And 6 years?
Yes. In a year of 10 or 15, it becomes bigger. And a 40 years of life it have. 45 years.
అయితే కోకోవా అనే ఫ్రూట్ నుండే చాక్లెట్లు తయారు చేస్తారు. ఒక 40 ఏళ్ళు బతుకుతాయంట చెట్టు. ప్లస్ ఏం చేస్తారట అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆ కోకోవా సీడ్స్ తీసి దాన్ని ఫర్మెంటేషన్ చేసి దాని నుండి చాక్లెట్లు తయారు చేస్తారంట. సో ఆ చాక్లెట్లు డార్క్ చాక్లెట్లు వస్తాయంట. అవి తింటే హెల్త్కి మంచిదంట, కానీ ఎక్కువ తింటే చాలా హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయని చెప్తున్నాడు.
Bay leaves, biryani leaves, sage patta, bay leaves. And for a bay leaf, no soil requirement is needed. Not in only in brown soil or not in black soil. In every soil can grow it. Okay. And in every side of the India also we can grow the bay leaf. Okay, and it's the cheapest spice. And in 100 rupees, if you buy it, you can use it for 2 to 3 years also. The bulk quantity you will get. Yes. And without a bay leaf, you didn't get a proper smell for biryanis, dal, and all. Okay, this is a good taste. Okay, and a bay leaf also, it's very good for cholesterol and even for acidity problem. Okay. But very limitedly you have to consume it. Like you can boil it in a water and you can consume that water, and in a week 2 times is good. Okay, if you drink a more cinnamon water or if you consume a more garam masala, that is a reason for acidic problem. So the limited consumption is must needed for everything. For everything you have to do a limited consumption.
ఓకే డాక్టర్.
Even for
మన బిర్యానీ ఆకు గురించి అయితే పెద్ద కథనే చెప్తాండి నేను. అసలు దానికి ఉన్న హెల్త్ బెనిఫిట్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ప్లస్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే అది ఏ మట్టిలోనైనా పెరుగుతుందంట, నీళ్లు తక్కువ తాగుతుందంట. మనకి ఎప్పుడు బిర్యానీ చేసుకోవాలనిపిస్తే అప్పుడు చెట్టు నుంచి తెంపుకొని ఒక 1 day ఎండబెట్టినామంటే దాన్ని కుక్ చేసుకోవడానికి రెడీ అయిపోతుందంట.
kokum sharbat. Kokum calls mangosteen fruit. Okay, in India we are having 2 varieties of kokum. Okay, and one is coastal crop. Okay, in a side of Maharashtra, Goa, and here in Mangalore. That side, the red kokum is very famous for using to prepare a sharbat only. People are using the kokum, and here we have a kokum. That is this one, the bigger tree. Or this also. This first one and the bigger tree also. Both are kokum. The color of it, that's yellow. Yellow kokum.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit. This kokum, we can't use it for sharbat. This we have to ferment it for 2 to 3 months, and after fermentation, our fermented water we have to collect from it.
ఓకే.
By smashing and all, we collect the water and we have to boil it. And after boiling, like in 30 liters of kokum water, if you boiled it, like 5 to 6 liters of hard material will get.
ఓకే.
Like means tar is there, right? Tar's thickness everyone knows, right? Same thickness and a same color, dark black. Okay, but if you dried it, it doesn't become harder. It will be it stays in that form only, like liquid form, but a harder liquid, thick liquid. That we have to use in cooking, replacing of tamarind.
ఓకే.
It's a soreness.
Soreness, yes,
Sweet.
not sweet. Like kokum is a non-acidic one. Okay, the tamarind is an acidic one. That is acidic one. This is non-acidic, and it's very good for bile problem. For that, it's very good, and even for kidney stones, we can use it. And even in a water, you can add 2 to 3 drops, and you can consume those water. That is very good for cholesterol. Okay, and for a heart also, it's very good. And in Ayurvedic, if you are buying weight loss powders or something, in that you can see the Garcinia powder. People will write on it. Garcinia means this.
ఓకే.
Garcinia cambodia is a yellow kokum.
Okay,
Garcinia india, there's a red kokum. That is a coastal Konkan.
అయితే ఇక్కడ కోకమ్ అనే ఫ్రూట్ ఉంటుందంట, అది షర్బత్ చేయడానికి వాడతారంట. అందులో 2 types ఉంటాయంట, ఒకటి రెడ్ ఒకటి ఎల్లో. సో ఇక్కడ ఎల్లోవి కాస్తాయంట. సో ఆ ఎల్లో వాటిని షర్బత్ చేయడానికి వాడరంట. దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తారట అంటే కొన్ని రోజులు వాటిని ఫర్మెంట్ చేసి దాని నుండి మరగ పెడితే సేమ్ డాంబర్ రోడ్ తార్ లాగా వస్తుందంట. సో దాన్ని చింతపండు ప్లేస్లో వాడతారంట. సో దానివల్ల చాలా హెల్త్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉంటాయంట. ప్లస్ వెయిట్ లాస్ కోసం వాడే పౌడర్స్ అవి ఉంటాయి కదా, సో ఆ పౌడర్స్లో గార్సినియా అనేది ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అది ఈ కోకమేనంట.
This one, it's called black damar tree, and everyone knows about it. You also, everyone knows. Okay, the doop you know, right? Doop sticks,
Doop sticks.
sambrani.
Okay.
Okay, the guggal also we can call it. Okay, the natural incense. Okay, the incense sticks what we get in the form of cone shape or agarbattis and all. That all are chemical one. Okay, the burning of it, it's not good for health. It can cause a wheezing problem, even headache, and eyes burning feeling and all. But
Sambrani.
this one, yes, sambrani. Here in southern side we call it sambrani. Otherwise, the guggal also we can call it loban, oud. We can call it. Yes. Okay. And upon it we have to cut it like a rubber cultivation only. We have to cut the bark of it. A latex will start to come out. Here you can see by casting, you can see over here. And the latex, after drying also we can collect them. Otherwise, before, like in liquid only, we can collect it. And after drying it, it goes to a very hard form, like it becomes a crystal type.
Crystal type.
Yeah, that we have to smash. Yeah, that we have to smash, and then we have to throw it in ovens.
Coal also.
Yes, and burning coal also we can put them. Our smokes will start to come out, and that smoke is an antibacterial smoke. So why only in olden time, like the Rani and all, she like a Ranis were drying the hair from it, and for children's also, newborn babies also it can be used, and a pregnancy ladies also they are using it. That because it gives an antibacterial smoke. But what we are getting in a aroma, different aroma we are getting. Like think 10 rupees also we get that cone shaped doop stick will get. The in aroma like sandal of aroma will get that. But who add a pure sandal oil in that? That is also they sell us for 10 rupees. Okay, that all a chemical. Okay, the chemical is not good for it. Okay. And this tree is a little bit older one. The termite had completely eaten it from an inside, and at the top you can see the mud over there. Right? That is an house of termites.
Oh. టర్మైట్ అయిపోయింది చెట్టుకి పురుగు చెదలు పట్టేసి
As an termite destroys it completely in couple of years, and before 5 years only we cut them. And these kind of trees are very dangerous here because if it falls down, it goes on another tree, another one, and here the surrounded full of coffee, and the coffee plant gets destroyed from it. Otherwise, if the root, like when it was falls down, the root comes up, and with the root some plant also get pulls off.
So you are not going
We have to cut it.
మనం ఇంట్లో ఊదుపోగ వేసుకుంటాం కదా, చిన్న పిల్లలు పుట్టినప్పుడు కానీ లేకపోతే ప్రెగ్నెంట్ లేడీస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కానీ అట్లా డిఫరెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో మనం ఊదు అనేది చాలా వాడతాం. ఆ ఊదు అనేది ఈ చెట్టు నుండి బంకలాగా వస్తుంది అన్నట్టు. ఆ బంకలాగా వచ్చిన దాన్ని తీసుకొని ఎండబెడితే మనకు కావాల్సిన ఊదు తయారవుతుంది. దాన్ని మనం బొగ్గుల మీద వేసుకుంటే మనకి ఇంట్లో ఊదుపోగా అని వస్తుంది కదా, అది అలా చేస్తే ఈ చెట్టు నుండి తయారవుతుంది అన్నమాట.
This is the sweetest chili.
Oh.
Okay, India's sweetest chili. Okay, and
Sweetest. Huh?
No, I think
yeah, it's a spiciest chili. Like after Burjolokia, this is the second spiciest chili of India. The birds.
Someone eat it, right?
No. When she started to eat, I will tell spread it out. Okay, and this chili, by eating, it gives a very spiciness, but for a body, it's very good. It's a non-acidic chili. Okay, the normal chili what we are using for our regular cooking, that all gives an acidic problem. But this chili is a non-acidic one, and here we prepare a wine of it. This chili can be made of pickle also. Like from this we prepare pickles here. That is also very good to eat. Taste it once. The pickles you can taste, and even a wine also. Okay. And here it is a plant. It's look like a normal chili plant only, but in a plant only it grows vertical, like straight grown chilies.
Straight.
Here also the top also you can see.
Arno yela. Arno. Yela ukar.
Gandhari we call it here.
Size वैसे रहता है.
1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 1.5 maximum.
పొట్టోడైనా గట్టోడే అన్నట్టు ఉంటుందంట ఈ చిల్లీ. చాలా స్పైసీ అంటే చాలా స్పైసీ ఉంటుందంట. దీన్ని బర్డ్స్ ఐ చిల్లీ అంటారు. సో ఇన్సేపు మనం స్పైసెస్ కవర్ చేసాము. మనం పార్ట్ 2 వీడియోలో కాఫీ గురించి కవర్ చేద్దాం. సో మిస్ అవ్వకుండా చూడండి.